I am S.A. Khadar Sahab, Municipal Commissioner and Reforms Officer. And previously I worked as Suryapet Municipal Commissioner, and Sri Mila Satyanarayana is the chairperson there. Presently I am working as Municipal Commissioner Reforms Officer with the AP ESP, that is a DFID project, Department for International Development Project at Hyderabad. And we got this award for the implementation of this award for implementation of this dustbin free and zero garbage town. This is the first city in the country which made a town a dustbin free and zero garbage. So this town is a Suryapet town, is a 1 lakh population town, and it took for us initially 6 months to implement this project, and further we developed a lot of things. For organic waste has to be, we are processing organic waste into vermicomposting, and inorganic waste is being sold out to recyclers. This is happening there successfully, and we took a lot of pains to implement this. And here in this activity we observed that every town in the country can implement this without any hesitation or hurdle, because we find the gap why others could not implement this. The people don't believe the authorities. At the same time, authorities also blaming the people, because people doesn't cooperate, and people says that municipality doesn't work. No, both are true, but here we need to build a bridge between the two systems. Then only anything can be possible, and this solid waste management activity is also possible if we could build a bridge between these two things. And then simultaneously we have to improve the quality of our activities, and arrangements to be made administratively also we should make our system a strong system. For this purpose, however, we need funds, but for implementation of the solid waste management, the available men and machinery is sufficient in every town. So for modernizing the things, we may require some funding facility. Now Government of India is also extending lot of support by giving funds under 12th Finance Commission grant to all urban local bodies in the country, and we in Andhra Pradesh, we may stood first in the country, Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, 136 urban local bodies are there, and we are hopefully ahead in implementation of this solid waste management rules. And in our project, 42 towns are more ahead in implementation. This is the thing.
And just in general, India USP is a big forum. 700 delegates or more are coming here. What's it like to just be a participant and to be here involved in such a event?
So we are very happy to be here in this August, and we felt very happy to receive this award that is first of its kind. And we have forgotten our difficulties what we faced while exercising, while implementing this.
So what's the key to implementation?
Pardon?
What is the key to good implementation?
Suggestion. So suggestion is commitment is required, and this link between the public and the administration, means staff, that should be built up in a systematic way and amicably. When we bring confidence over the urban local body, then things will move easily and very amicably and successfully. That is me.
Do you have a highlight at the conference so far? So what is your highlight of the conference?
Highlight is that we are filled with joy. We are filled with joy. That's all.
Okay, great. Thank you.